Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about identities, and we put about s minus number 2 everything to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus number 2 because we have s. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have like this. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So this one we change for u. S we change for this one. The s we change for the u. Now we need to expand this one. So this one divided by this one, u divided by u square, number 4 divided by u square, and now we have like this. So the integration of number 1, we have u. This one we have for Ln of the absolute value of u. The next one that is about negative number 4 over u, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.